Oracle changed how Java is licensed. Today, it's no longer about how many servers or users run Java. It's based on your total number of employees. Here's the key rule. If your company uses even a single installation of Oracle's Java, whether it's the JDK, the JRE, or any Oracle Java runtime, you must license every employee in the entire company. That means all full-time staff, part-timers, contractors, and consultants. Everyone counts, no exceptions. It doesn't matter if only 10 developers actually touch Java. If you have one Oracle Java installation anywhere, Oracle requires you to pay for all employees across the whole organization. This is what makes the model so expensive. A company with 5,000 employees and just one Oracle JDK on a server is expected to buy 5,000 licenses. So when we say employee-based licensing, think of it as an all-in rule. One install equals full coverage. The only way around this cost is either eliminating Oracle Java entirely, replacing it with OpenJDK or another free distribution, or negotiating carefully with Oracle. That's how the Oracle Java employee licensing model works in 2025. One install, one company-wide license requirement,